Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of your old, damaged photos looking dull and lifeless? Well, today I've got some fantastic news for you. You can now restore your old photos quickly and for free thanks to the power of AI. I am here to guide you through the process using a remarkable AI tool called Nero Image Upscaler. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. The AI we'll be using today is Nero Image Upscaler. Nero AI's mission is to make your life easier by leveraging AI technology to enhance, enlarge, and even animate your photos. It's truly amazing what this AI tool can do. The best part is, you don't need to sign up to use their tools, but I recommend signing up to enhance your experience. If you are not sure how to sign up, check out my video titled How to Get Started with Nero Image Upscaler for a comprehensive guide. Navigating the dashboard is straightforward. Start by directing your attention to the top of the screen and locate Online AI. Give it a click, and from that drop-down menu, select the option labeled Photo Restoration. With that done, the next step is to upload the aging photo that's in need of some tender loving care. This is where the magic begins. Once your photo is uploaded, you will have the exciting opportunity to select from a range of specialized restoration models. The power is in your hands. Would you like to eliminate those pesky scratches, infuse vibrant colors, or perhaps enhance the facial features of your subjects? The choice is entirely yours. And if you are feeling adventurous, you are more than welcome to give all three models a whirl. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will personally opt for these two models, but remember, the possibilities are endless, and it's all about crafting the perfect restoration tailored to your vision. In just a few seconds, by clicking on Start Your Photo, will undergo a remarkable transformation. The colors will rejuvenate and the photo will appear as if it's been magically restored to its original vibrancy. It is like witnessing a masterpiece coming back to life before your very eyes. The sheer wonder of this moment lies in the technology at work. The palette of colors will burst forth, resembling a vivid symphony dancing across your screen. It is as if time itself is rewinding, breathing new life into your cherished photo. Imagine the delight of seeing your treasured but weathered photograph rejuvenated with the vitality of its heyday. This isn't just restoration. It's a rekindling of the emotions and stories contained within those pixels. However, you may notice that the image appears somewhat blurred. Not to worry, you can easily upscale it. Just click on HD and it will redirect you to the upscaling tool. Now, direct your attention to the right side, where you will find the Start Image Upscaling option. Give it a click and be patient for just a few moments. And there you have it. Your image is now beautifully upscaled. Take a moment to appreciate the transformation by comparing the original photo with this newly restored and upscaled version. It is like experiencing night and day in terms of clarity and detail, isn't it? There you have it. Thanks to Nero Image Upscaler, your old photos are now beautifully restored, and it's a quick and easy process. These moments from the past look as vibrant as ever. It is a testament to the power of technology and the preservation of cherished memories with a simple click. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. If you have any specific requests or questions, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. I hope this tutorial has opened up exciting possibilities for your beloved old photos. Your journey to photo restoration begins here. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more incredible content. See you in our next video.